up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle if you have not met me already. In my latest haul video, which if you guys haven't watched yet, definitely watch that. I will link it somewhere. I showcase some pieces that I have purchased from iheartraves, and as promised, I am giving you guys a whole video dedicated to how I would style those pieces, as well as I have a few other items that I want to style out in today's video for the sake of Halloween coming up. They're kind of like costume-esque. I'm just hoping that it will give you guys some inspiration if you are going to a festival or show for Halloween. So yeah, I won't bore you guys with a long intro because I've already filmed this shit like 16 different times. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Yeah, alright, let's get into it. Let's open this. Also, excuse my toes, I don't know if you can see them. The first thing that I want to style out are these clown pants that I shared with you guys on my haul. Hopefully I'm in focus, I can never tell. Here are the clown pants styled out. Honestly, I don't know if I really nailed it. I have a few other blue, like, rave-ish like tops and stuff like that that might be better, but this is kind of what I'm going for, I guess. I don't even know if it's the same color blue. I guess if you were gonna wear this kind of concept for Halloween, you could dress as a clown. And this definitely would, I feel like people would definitely get it. You could do like clown makeup and stuff like that. Other than that, if I just wanted to wear this to a show, I still would. I don't really know how to do the tied pieces. So I just kind of tied them like this, which I think is kind of cute. I don't know. I'm not hating this. I'm not hating the vibe. I feel like it could be executed a lot better, but given what I have in my wardrobe, I think this works. This top comes with like a set, like a mini skirt, and then these sleeves. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, you may have honestly seen this before. I bought it for when I went to Miranda's bachelorette party in Miami several years ago, but I don't know, I feel like it would be pretty cool with the sleeves. I don't even know how to wear this. Would this be a vibe? Is this the vibe, or is it doing too much? Oh, this is kind of cute, right? Is this cute? I can't tell. I don't know. I don't know if I really nailed this first one. Maybe if I did more, like, different types of accessories. I don't really know. Like a hat, maybe? Does it work? I don't really know. Okay. I'm already kind of doubting this video now because this first one is not necessarily turning out how I thought it would in my head. I have a few other different types of tops, like maybe this top would work. It's like more of like a bathing suit. Let me know what you guys think. I'm honestly panicking right now. Like I have no idea. I totally thought this was going to go better than it is. But you get the idea. If you wanted to wear this to a festival or show, something along these lines, I totally went in this with like a lot more confidence than I have right now. But anyways, this is look number 1. I guess. Alright, here is look number 2. Now this outfit is extremely versatile. It can go several different ways. I am dressing it up as a devil, but you could dress it up as Wednesday, you could dress it up as a witch. I actually have a second witch costume that I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, so I decided to go with the devil look, which is actually what I was last year. So many different options with an all black get up like this. You could be like some sort of Grim Reaper. I wanted to particularly showcase the leggings that I just bought and then the cherry bag. So I just thought that going devil-y would be good because it has the pops of red. I probably would wear a red lip with this too. I wore this when we went to New York as Wednesday, so I've worn it as Wednesday. I dressed up like this for my birthday celebration a few years ago. So I just feel like having a all black like baby doll dress like this is so good to have in your wardrobe, just to get so much like different uses out of it, and it is perfect for the Halloween season. Honestly, with these, I see girls wear them all different ways. As far as how I had it in my head, I would even probably wear this just like with a regular t-shirt kind of vibe. If I wanted to go to a show or something like that and didn't feel like dressing all the way up. Especially with the winter months, I feel like it just starts getting colder, and having more fabric on me keeps me warmer over time. But yeah, overall it's just like a little idea to get you guys motivated, and if you are looking to build up your Rave capsule wardrobe like I like to do, then definitely getting something like this is good because overall you can get a lot of use out of it. That's kind of what I've been more focused on anyway, is getting pieces that I can mix match in several different ways, so that way I don't just buy it and then wear it once or not wear it at all. So yeah, I digress. But anyways, here is the devil look. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, next look is a little bit cray cray. I don't know how revealing it is. I might have to cover for the sake of being on YouTube. This is just like a neon spandexy dress. I didn't really purchase this with the costume in mind. I more so just purchased this to wear to like the club or something like that. So this is basically how I would style it. But it can be, I guess, costume-esque if you really wanted it to be. It could be like a go-go dancer if you wanted to dress up like that. I also have like really tall boots that you could wear with this, and I feel like that would work. Or some sort of like neon Barbie or disco ball, anything neon. You know, you could literally even be like a glow stick or something like that with a neon outfit. I just wanted to show you guys this on because I did recently pick this up from iheartraves too, but don't really know what you could do with this. Maybe you guys can let me know what you think you could do with this. Yeah, it's really cute, and I'm pretty sure it's only like $5 or something. It's very similar to the top that I wore for the clown outfit. Definitely picture myself wearing this to like the clubs in Miami or Echo Stage or anything like that. Ooh, I love this one. Okay, so this is what I was saying when I didn't want to go more witchy with that black baby doll dress, because I am going more witchy with this purple dress, which was a gift or a hand-me-down, I guess, from my friend Leah. Shout out to Leah. I really like this, and I feel like I might go for this type of costume if I wind up doing anything for Halloween. I love witchy stuff. I feel like you can do so much with a witch costume that you could literally be it every year and just have a completely different vibe. I guess this would be more of like Glenda the Good Witch type vibe, which is actually what I was a few years ago, and that's why I have this pink witch hat. Emily was the bad witch and I was good witch. I had an all pink get up and then she wore all black. I feel like this could be very rave-ish. Like, I feel like it is giving like rave witch. I just love the way that this dress cuts. I have no idea where she got this. I'll have to ask her. I just styled it with my typical white shoes. You guys know these. I have several other boots that I was contemplating. If I wanted to do a black accent, I would wear my knee-high tall boots, or I could even wear my cowgirl boots, and I feel like that would be really cute. And then I have tons of purple accessories that I feel like work really, really well. My moon and star earrings that are so classic with this, and then my necklace from Magical Mini. If it is really cold, I could throw on a pair of fishnets. I have a pair of white sparkly fishnets that I could wear with this too. So definitely got a lot of options with this. Several different things. I could even wear my disco ball hat. I could wear my tinsel kitty ears. I could wear so much different stuff with this. I just love even like the moon and the stars and stuff like that. Just right up my alley. Okay, I'm actually getting really excited now. I'm having all these ideas come to me all of a sudden. This is not something I bought from iHeartRaves. This is something that Emily gave me that I've just had in my wardrobe for a while, but I feel like back in the day, not back in the day, it hasn't been that long, but race car vibe is, or was, very in at one point, and if any of you still have some of that in your wardrobe, you could do quite a bit with it. I'm going to give you guys a couple different outfit ideas, and all of which are just all going to be about how you would style something similar to this. First thing that I'm going for would be like a, what are they called? Like the race car girls that like do the flag. What is it called? I don't even know. Like flag girl or whatever. I feel like that's super simple. You could literally just wear it like this. I threw on my knee-high boots. I love these. Then I put some fishnets on, which would be so cute if you want to wear a bodysuit like this and just have the booty out. I feel like fishnets always kind of like give you more like coverage. And I would accessorize this in several different ways. I could even wear my red earrings and kitty ears to kind of accentuate the red in the collar. So that would be one look, but if I wanted to take it a step further, I could go Cruella de Vil, and let me show you how. This is just totally based off of the things that I have in my wardrobe. Besides the stuff that I just showed you from iheartraves, none of this was purchased. Honestly, none of it was purchased with the intention of Halloween to begin with. It's just fun how you can make different things out of what you already have. We're going Cruella de Vil, and all I do is take my jacket that you guys all know. It's not exactly Dalmatian, but whatever. I feel like people would still understand if I just added in a few different things to kind of like make it known that it's Cruella de Vil, right? Like I would do a red lip probably. I would get some red gloves. I would accentuate with the red accessory pieces that I have, and I feel like people would know right away that I'm going for Cruella. I also have this lingerie piece that I was looking at, and if you wanted to get kind of like risque with it, I would just wear this underneath and kind of do the same vibe and still call it Cruella. Yeah, I'm actually really excited with this. Now I have so many different options. Alright, here is the last outfit that I'm going to show you guys today in this video. This dress I bought a few years ago from Rave After Rave, I believe. I feel like it like kind of took over the internet. A lot of people had this dress in their wardrobe at one point in time. So I'm just giving you guys an example. There is, once again, several different ways that you could interpret an outfit like this. I guess kind of what I was going for would be like gaudy Barbie cowgirl, but I also know that there's tons of tutorials on YouTube that show how to do your makeup as like a cartoon character, and this dress also gives me cartoonish vibes. So I was thinking one year, maybe this will be the year, that I would do something along those lines. I think it was in hair school, I'm pretty sure. I remember in hair school, a girl had the cartoon makeup, and I always thought that that would be a really cool idea, and you could definitely do something similar with this type of outfit. As far as if I were to go for like the gaudy Barbie cowgirl, I decided to pair it with my cow print cowgirl boots. I also have these earrings that I bought years ago. I don't know if you guys can see it from this angle, but they say howdy. So I thought that that would be really cute for a costume idea with the boots. And then just like, I don't know, it doesn't necessarily even have to be this dress, but something similar to match the like cowgirl vibe. And I also feel like Western stuff is so in right now, but I wouldn't want to do it like so Western where I look straight up like I came from the Wild Wild West. I would definitely make it more colorful and like make it more gaudy. Rave cowgirl. That one cowgirl hat that everyone always talks about that's like from a Snapchat filter, I feel like that would look really cute too. And yeah, I think that about wraps up this video concept idea. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. You definitely don't have to go out and buy any of these pieces. That's not the idea. That's not what I want you guys to do after watching this video. Just kind of taking what you have and putting together an outfit. That's what I love to do. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and I love to just kind of find what I can and dress up and be someone else for a night. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram to keep up with me throughout the rest of the week, I will leave that down below. Don't forget to check out any of my other videos and subscribe if you're new here. And I think that's it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!